The year after 75 years in 2099. A time when the boundaries of technology and imagination have blurred, creating a world that once only existed in dreams and science fiction. At a futuristic spaceport bathed in the soft glow of a sunrise, the air is filled with a sense of anticipation and wonder. A sleek aircraft stands poised on the runway, its design a marvel of modern engineering and aesthetic beauty. Its sleek silver hull shimmers, reflecting the anticipation in the air. The aircraft seems almost alive, pulsating with the energy of the new era it represents. This is no ordinary aircraft. It is a symbol of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. This is the dawn of a new era in aviation, where the impossible becomes possible, and the sky is no longer the limit. With an almost imperceptible hum, the craft lifts off the ground. It defies gravity with a grace that seems almost magical. There is no roar of jet engines, no fiery exhaust plumes scarring the morning sky. The silence is profound, almost sacred. The silence is almost unnerving, a stark contrast to the thunderous liftoffs of the past. It is a new kind of quiet, one that speaks of advanced technology and a cleaner future. The aircraft ascends gracefully, powered by an invisible force, a force that seems to draw from the very essence of the universe. A force drawn from the very fabric of space itself, harnessing the energy that permeates the cosmos. This is the promise of quantum vacuum thrusters, silent, fuelless, and revolutionary, a technology that redefines our understanding of propulsion. This is not merely a flight. It is a journey into the future, a glimpse of what humanity can achieve. This is a symbol of humanity's relentless pursuit of innovation, a testament to our ability to dream big and achieve the impossible, a testament to our ability to unlock the secrets of the universe and bend them to our will. It is a celebration of human creativity and determination. This is the future of flight, and it is powered by the quantum vacuum. A future where the sky is just the beginning, and the stars are within our reach. To understand the revolutionary nature of quantum vacuum thrusters, or QVTs, we must delve into the strange and counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics. This field of science explores the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, where the rules of classical physics no longer apply. At the heart of this realm lies a concept known as the quantum foam. This is a turbulent sea of energy and particles that exists even in the vacuum of space. Imagine, if you will, the seemingly empty vacuum of space. It might look empty to the naked eye, but in reality, it is far from being a void. Far from being empty, it teems with an invisible sea of energy and particles, constantly in motion, constantly popping in and out of existence. These particles are ephemeral, appearing and disappearing in the blink of an eye. These fleeting particles, known as virtual particles, arise from the quantum fluctuations of energy in the vacuum. They are a fundamental aspect of the quantum world. QVT technology hinges on the principle of manipulating this quantum foam. By understanding and controlling these fluctuations, we can harness their energy. These thrusters are designed to create an asymmetry in the distribution of virtual particles, which is key to generating thrust, effectively generating a propulsive force. This force can be used to propel spacecraft without the need for traditional fuel. Although the exact mechanisms are still being refined, the basic idea involves confining these quantum fluctuations within a specifically designed cavity. This cavity is engineered to maximize the effect of the quantum foam, thereby creating a difference in pressure that can be harnessed for propulsion. This innovative approach could revolutionize space travel, making it more efficient and sustainable. The implications of QVT technology are profound, offering a glimpse into a future where aviation is not only more efficient but also environmentally friendly, particularly when contrasted with traditional jet propulsion, which has been the backbone of aviation for decades. Current aircraft rely on the combustion of fossil fuels, a process that is inherently inefficient, polluting, and unsustainable. The reliance on fossil fuels not only drives up operational costs but also poses significant environmental challenges. Jet engines generate thrust by burning fuel to create hot, expanding gases that are expelled through a nozzle, propelling the aircraft forward. This method, while effective, is far from perfect. This process is not only dependent on a finite resource but also contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. The environmental footprint of traditional aviation is a growing concern. QVTs, on the other hand, promise a paradigm shift in aviation. They represent a leap forward in how we think about propulsion and energy use in flight. By harnessing the energy of the quantum vacuum, they eliminate the need for any propellant whatsoever. This groundbreaking approach could redefine the limits of air travel. This means zero fuel consumption, zero emissions, and a potentially drastic reduction in the cost of air travel. The economic and environmental benefits are immense. Imagine a world where aircraft could travel indefinitely without refueling, their environmental impact reduced to a whisper. This vision could soon become a reality. This is the revolutionary potential of QVT technology. It holds the promise of transforming aviation into a cleaner, more sustainable mode of transportation for future generations. The advent of QVTs opens up a new frontier in aircraft design, unshackling engineers from the constraints of traditional propulsion systems. Without the need for bulky fuel tanks and heavy engines, aircraft can be designed with radical new aerodynamic profiles, optimizing for efficiency, speed, and maneuverability. Imagine sleek, silent aircraft gliding through the stratosphere at hypersonic speeds, their passengers cocooned in luxurious comfort, unburdened by the turbulence and noise of conventional air travel. QVT-powered aircraft could revolutionize air travel, enabling point-to-point journeys across vast distances at unprecedented speeds. But the potential applications extend far beyond commercial aviation. QVTs could power space exploration missions, enabling spacecraft to travel vast distances without the need for heavy, expensive fuel. Satellites equipped with QVTs could maintain their orbits indefinitely, eliminating the problem of orbital decay and extending their operational lifespan.